Okay, let's talk about my contacts. And don't confuse my contacts with event contacts, because event contacts are in a specific event, the assigned contact to a specific event. This, when I'm talking about my contacts, this is the overall contacts for me as an event planner. All my contacts are pretty much like a contact hub, just for me, not for a specific event. If you want to go to event contacts, you can just go to, in the main dashboard, you can go to events right here, choose a specific event, then in the event dashboard, go to event contacts, and then uh, make any changes or edits you want to this specific event. This is my contacts, again, the overall contacts for me and for my business. So as you can see, this is a place where I can save all my contacts, my clients, venues, and vendors all in one place. I can filter them oldest to newest, newest to oldest, A to Z, Z to A, however I want. Let's go with oldest. Of course, I can use the search bar to search specific clients, venues, or vendors using the search bar. And if I want, I can add new ones, so they will always be saved here and I can use them in every single event that I want. Of course, you can create from the event itself new ones, new clients, venues, and vendors, and it will automatically populate them here. So you can, for example, you created a new wedding, you created a new client, and you still haven't had the chance of adding their contact information. You go to newest. Let's say, for example, Rachel. I click it, edit details, and now I can put all of Rachel's information in here. Of course, you can directly from here add new ones, and you can choose what you're gonna see, either names, phone numbers, notes. You can just play around and explore with it. Let's say go to oldest, and yeah, you can choose whatever you're gonna see. If I want to see phone numbers, I want to see addresses, I want to see notes. Yep, this is how you do it. You can control exactly what you see. Same goes for venues and vendors as well. Let's say I have a venue that I'm using regularly. I can add a new venue and just put in the venue name, the contact information, their website, their address, additional notes. I can add a floor plan or a layout of the venue, so I always know what that looks like. You can add it as a file or a photo right here and click add. This will automatically add a new a venue. Same goes for vendors, and of course, yeah. So this is how you use the My Contacts feature.